with him.
Take a picture of what?
That.
What is that?
Cars.
What did you do?
I did a line.
There's so many lines.
Uh-huh.
That was cool, Gump. Wow. Those are all your cars?
Yeah.
You have a lot of cars.
Yeah. I do.
Alright. Why did you do that?
I just did it.
How come?
Because I learned to that.
You learned how to put stuff in a line?
Yeah.
I see. Do you do?
But the big one is getting. The big one is fitting.
He almost doesn't fit, huh?
Yeah.
Because he's big. Maybe you could put him at the bottom.
Hey.
There you go. I love you, Gump.
Hey, you do, Poo Poo.
Poo poo.
Look at these. I got a little bit or a lot.
A little bit or a lot.
Yeah.
You have a lot of cars.
Uh-huh.
Got to keep them in good condition.
Okay.
Hmm?
Hmm?